Hey realtors! Welcome back to the channel. If you want to learn how the contract to close process works, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you an important step in the process: how to set up a digital transaction file. This step happens right after contract verification and is key to keeping every deal organized, on track, and stress-free. Let's dive in. Step 1. Establishing a centralized digital file. The first thing I do is create a centralized digital file where every transaction document will live. Whether you're using a CRM, Google Drive, Dropbox, or another secure cloud storage system, having one designated place for all transaction documents is crucial. I create a new folder for the transaction, labeling it with the property address, contract number, or client name, whatever makes the most sense for easy access. This keeps everything structured and eliminates any last-minute scrambling for documents when deadlines approach. Step 2. Organizing documents for quick access. Next, I get organized. I upload all the documents we've gathered during contract verification and sort them into clearly labeled subfolders. For example, the main contract goes in one, disclosures in another, amendments in a separate folder, and so on. This way, I can find exactly what I need at a glance, without wasting time searching through a messy file. Think of this as your digital filing cabinet. It should be structured in a way that anyone on your team can easily navigate and access key documents. Step 3. Inputting key details and deadlines. Once the documents are neatly stored, I input all the important transaction details and deadlines into our system. This includes option period expiration, earnest money deposit deadline, contingency, removal dates, closing date, and final walkthrough. I enter these key dates into our digital calendar or task management tool, setting automated reminders so no deadline slips through the cracks. Staying ahead of these timelines ensures the transaction moves smoothly without last-minute surprises. Step 4. Integrating with our task management system. Now, it's time to connect these deadlines to actionable tasks. Every key milestone gets assigned to a task to keep everything moving forward efficiently. Follow-up reminders for things like inspection, earnest money deposits and lender approvals, contingency tracking, making sure all conditions are met before closing, final coordination, confirming closing details, walkthroughs, and final documents. With everything linked inside our task management system, I never have to guess what comes next. It's all mapped out, ensuring a seamless contract-to-close experience. Step 5. Final review and team communication. Before I move on, I always do a final check. I make sure all documents are uploaded in the right folders, deadlines and reminders are set, tasks are assigned for a smooth closing process. Once everything looks good, I notify the team so they're aligned and ready for the next steps. Good communication and organization make the entire process stress-free for everyone involved, agents, clients, and vendors alike. And that's how I create a digital transaction file, the foundation for keeping everything streamlined and ensuring nothing gets missed. A well-organized system is the difference between a swift close and a chaotic one. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert transaction coordination tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. See you in the next video. Next.